Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we're making calming jars for the new year. You'll need water, different colored dish soap, clear dish soap, different types of glitter like fine glitter or thick glitter, or confetti sequins, and you'll also need some fun glue like glow-in-the-dark glue, metallic glue, cosmic glue, or glitter glue. Last, you'll need some empty jars or bottles. First, you're going to add water. You're going to fill 1/3 of your container with water. There you go. Now, next, you're going to add your colored dish soap to your container. You're going to fill about 1/3 of your container with it. I'm using a funnel, but if you're squeezing it straight from the bottle, you won't need one. We're going to add clear dish soap to about half of what is left. There we go. Now. Now we're going to add some fun glues. This is going to add the ooze into our calming jars. I'm going to add 2 big squeezes of my pink glow-in-the-dark glue to my calming jar. And if I have room, I'm going to use my clear glue. Rocky's going to add 2 big squeezes of his metallic glue. Glitter and confetti sequins. Rocky has the fine glitter and I have the thicker glitter. Now let's add them in. Confetti or sequins, make sure it's plastic or mylar, but not paper, because it will melt into mush in your jar. Add that. That's right. Last, you need to shake it, watch it, and relax. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft done and get your happy on and have a crafty new year. Bye!